Welcome to Kauai!
I'm taking you along on a family adventure in beautiful Kauai. From breathtaking beaches to lush hikes and memorable moments together, this trip has been full of fun, sunshine, and pure island magic. I'm sharing with you our family's favorite activities and favorite places that we ate at as first-time visitors to Kauai.
Okay, and then ready? Let's say hi!
Hi.
And go,
Right after landing in Lihue Airport and picking up our rental car, we were excited to start eating some Hawaiian specialty foods, so we made a few pit stops in Lihue while we were in the area before driving down to the south side of the island where our hotel was. First, we went to Kauai Bakery to get some malasadas. Many consider this bakery as one of the best places on the island for malasadas. They were delicious with the perfect consistency with some crispiness on the outside and soft and fluffiness on the inside. The kids' favorite flavor was Oreo stuffed malasada. Next, we stopped at Aloha Aina Juice Cafe to eat one of my favorite things, acai bowl. The kids love acai bowls too, and they actually have kid size here. The kids got an acai bowl flavor with peanut butter and chocolate chips in it. Next, Dave and I bought poke bowls at the Fish Express. This is a local gem for fresh Hawaiian seafood, popular among both locals and tourists. Their poke bar offers a wide variety of flavors and they're all made fresh daily. The toppings for the poke bowls here are self-serve. We checked into our hotel at Grand Hyatt Kauai in Poipu. I have a separate video that goes in depth about my stay at the hotel with my review and tour. I'll include a link to the video at the end if you want to check it out. The next day, we went on a morning snorkel boat tour of the Napali Coast. We booked with Kauai Sea Tours on their 60-foot catamaran named Lucky Lady. The tour left from Port Allen, which was a 20-minute drive from Poipu. You will find options of raft boats and catamarans for Napali Coast boat tours. I decided to go with catamaran since I was nervous about motion sickness, and you typically feel less motion in larger boats. With the smaller raft boats, those are able to go into the sea caves on the Napali coast that catamarans can't. If you are considering booking a Napali boat tour, here are a couple tips. Schedule the excursion early on in your trip in case the excursion gets canceled due to severe weather and unfavorable ocean conditions. You will have more days remaining in your trip to try to reschedule it. If you're concerned about motion sickness, morning boat tour may be a better option than sunset tour as mornings tend to have calmer waters there. Our family took motion sickness medication beforehand, and thankfully we did not get seasick during our excursion. A light breakfast was served with pastry and some fresh fruit. The kids enjoyed this trampoline area in the front where you can sit and can feel a little bit of water splashing up from the waves. One of the highlights of the boat tour was seeing dolphins swimming next to the boat.
"100 to 200 spinner dolphins swim in a pond in the morning. 1 to 200. We definitely have over 100 dolphins in this group."
The Napali Coast is just a stunning, dramatic natural beauty. It spans 17 miles of Kauai's north shore of rugged cliffs and reaches up to 4,000 feet in height. We had 30 minutes to snorkel and snorkel gears were provided to use. There was even a slide if you prefer to slide out of the boat. I'm not sure how our snorkeling experience compared to a typical day here, but I didn't see much fish during our snorkel time. The water clarity during our snorkeling was likely affected due to the overcast sky we had that day. It was the kids' first time going snorkeling and they did great. After getting back onto the boat, it was lunchtime, which consisted of making our own sandwiches. There were also pasta salad and veggie straws. The sandwiches looked like simple sandwiches, but Dave and I were pleasantly surprised that they were pretty tasty. There were also options of some alcoholic beverages. There were cookies for dessert. Overall, we enjoyed our excursion. The crew was friendly and helpful. The captain was funny and provided some history about the island and Napali Coast. Catamaran Napali Coast boat tours can be on the pricey side, and it can add up when you are booking for multiple people. Here was how I was able to save some additional money on my booking. During the time of my booking, I was able to book this Kauai Sea Tours excursion through Viator. If you make the purchase on Viator through Rakuten shopping platform, you can earn some cash back. I purchased the tickets when Rakuten had extra cash back for Viator, so I was able to save an additional 20% on my total cost just by booking through Viator and Rakuten. If you don't have a free Rakuten account yet, I'll leave my referral link below if you'd like to sign up. After our boat tour, while driving back from Port Allen to Poipu, we stopped at Warehouse 3540, which is a marketplace where you can find locally made goods, coffee, food trucks, and an art gallery. We got some refreshing shave ice here. Then as adults, picked up poke bowls at Koloa Fish Market, which is known for having some of the freshest poke on the island. We thought the quality and taste of the poke between Koloa Fish Market and the Fish Express in Lihue were pretty equivalent. This is where you can find one of the best acai bowls in Poipu. This juice bar is in an unassuming location inside a small grocery store, but it sure does serve some delicious acai bowls. We enjoyed it so much that we came here twice during our trip. A must-do activity for first-time visitors to Kauai is checking out Waimea Canyon. From Poipu, it was a little over an hour drive to Waimea Canyon State Park. Waimea Canyon is considered the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Here, you will go through a scenic drive, can stop at some beautiful lookout spots of Waimea Canyon, and you can go on various hiking trails, ranging from easy, moderate, to difficult trails. We went hiking at this nature loop since this 0.3-mile hiking trail is an easy hike and known to be kid-friendly. We took in some amazing views of Waimea Canyon at the lookout points. If you drive all the way up to the end of the state park, you will reach Kalalau Lookout. At this location, you are almost 4,000 feet high and you will be met with breathtaking views of Kalalau Valley and view of Napali Coast.
Hi! Wave hi, Daddy.
Some people suggest getting to this lookout in the morning so fog doesn't block your entire view. We got here in the mid-afternoon and we were lucky to have a clear view that day. On our drive down, we stopped at just near the start of the state park, Red Dirt Falls. This small waterfall is unique due to its location within the canyon's red, iron-rich soil. The kids had fun running up and down the hills here.
Let's check out the clay pits. Whoa!
Okay.
On our drive back leaving Waimea, we stopped at this bakery for some malasadas. We arrived minutes before the bakery was closing, so I can't speak for its typical freshness since we got whatever was left, but it still satisfied our malasada craving. We went to Poipu Beach. It is known to be kid-friendly with an area of gentle waves and shallow water. This beach is popular to catch sea turtles coming up to shore to rest for the night. We even caught a sight of a monk seal while we were there. Near sunset time, there are volunteers there that start blocking off the area where the sea turtles typically come to rest so people do not disturb their natural habitat. One of the volunteers said that she had seen up to over 110 turtles come to shore on a given night, and the least amount that she's seen was a little over a dozen. Typically, the most amount of turtles coming to rest on the shore is in the fall, and the least amount is in the summer. We saw 3 turtles come to shore before we left, before it got too dark. We did a day trip to the north side of the island to check out Hanalei Bay. On our way there, we made a pit stop at Wailua Falls, located near Lihue. This is a 173-foot double-tiered waterfall. For lunch, we ate at Hanalei Bread Company. We originally planned to get grilled cheese sandwiches just for the kids, but their sandwich portion was big, so 2 sandwiches ended up feeding all 4 of us, and it was very delicious. If you plan to come here for breakfast or lunch, plan accordingly as it can get crowded and the place closes at 12:30. We went to Hanalei Bay Beach, one of the most breathtaking beaches in Hawaii. Lonely Planet highlighted it as one of the top 10 beaches globally in 2025. You've got soft sand stretching for miles, calm blue water, and those incredible misty mountains rising right behind you. It's perfect for a chill beach day, and there's just something about this place that instantly makes you feel relaxed and connected to nature. The kids went boogie boarding for the first time and had a blast. After the beach, we stopped to get some refreshing shave ice at Wishing Well Shave Ice in Hanalei. This place uses natural syrups and fresh local fruits. Our shave ice came with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on the bottom. We only had a very limited time on the north side of the island this time around, but for our next Kauai trip, we definitely want to spend more time exploring Princeville. Before our trip, I made 2 restaurant reservations for our time in Poipu. One of them is to Keoki's Paradise. This restaurant is under the same family of restaurants as the popular Hawaiian restaurants Duke's and Hula Grill. It has a nice and relaxing atmosphere and live music entertainment during dinner time. I got the Keoki's style fish entree, with the fresh fish being mahi-mahi that day. Dave ordered the chef's fresh fish duo entree. The kids especially enjoyed the ice cream dessert called hula pie. We also made a reservation at the Beach House, which is an upscale casual restaurant known for its great view of the ocean and sunset. The kids got the kids butter pasta, I got the fish and lobster pasta, which I really enjoyed, and Dave got the macadamia nut crusted fresh Hawaiian fish. I just couldn't get enough of the beautiful sunset view here.
Have you been to Hawaii? What's your favorite activity? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.